How to save contacts in Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can save contacts in Gmail. Now I'll show you on how you can do it on your Android or iOS devices. Now on both devices it's the same process, so here's how you can do it. Simply open up Gmail and you'll be headed into your Gmail. Here you can see if you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in here, now head on to the Gmail and head into the contact that you want to save. Now I'll just open this Riot Games here. Now once you open it, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon of the sender that you received the Gmail from. Here you can see Riot Games and you can see their R profile there. Simply tap on it and here you'll get this option at the bottom of your screen. You can see to add contacts or to save contacts, all you have to do is tap on the little friend request plus icon. You can see the profile plus icon there at the right hand side of the screen beside their profile. There you can see the little icon. Simply tap on it there and here you can see you can change name if you want. I've just saved it Riot Games, it'll be by default. And then here all you have to do is tap on the save option at the screen that you can see. Simply tap on save and they'll be saved. So this way you can save contacts in Gmail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.